Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video, I will teach you how to download a video from TikTok. For Reels. First we open TikTok, then choose a video here. And for example, this is the video we chose to download. Just click the icon below there. Select copy link right there. Once you have copied the link, then let's close the... We need to download this application. Next to it, Snaptic if you don't have it yet. We need to go to Chrome and download it there. Just search Snaptic 0 there. Then first it will appear there. Then just click the Download Install app. So the application can be downloaded. So it's not in the Play Store, guys. Oh, there. Let's open Snaptic, guys. Then it will automatically auto-paste the link. Then just select the No Watermark video there. Then there it will start downloading. So if you see their download success, that's okay, guys. The video we downloaded is now in your gallery, and it's the original video without a watermark. And let's go to the gallery. And if you can see, there it is, the video that we downloaded. There it is, guys, right? So that's how the video is. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Just like and subscribe if you enjoy this video.